Nico's.
Yo, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. Y'all see the vibes. I'm in a t-shirt. It's a beautiful day today. Had to pull out the project car, Project Miata. So y'all already know what that means. But yeah, definitely a beautiful day today. Gotta take advantage of the sun. I'm trying to get as much done. You feel me? But yeah, just want to say thank you to everyone who's been supporting the channel. Really appreciate it with all the merch, just watching the videos, subscribing, anything. So thank you for all of that. Thank you for the support. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to do numbers this year, trying to make it big, so help us out. So let's get started on today's video with Project Miata. On the last one we did the Sleepy Eye mod, put on the wheels for the summer. And I know what all of you are thinking, this car needs to go low, but as you can see, this wheel right here is 0 offset. So it pokes out a lot, like it actually pokes out a lot. So before this car gets lowered, the fenders definitely need to be rolled so it can tuck in nice, get that nice fitment, get that nice stance, all of that. Let me show y'all what I picked up for the Miata. It's just right here. First things first, we got some stuff over here. So this right here is the first of many upgrades for the car. We got LED 1156 bulbs. These are going to be for the reverse light and the license plate light. They're both the same, so that's convenient. We got 194 LEDs. These can be for the signals or even the gauge lights, the gauge cluster lights. Then we got map and dome lights. It's going to be for the interior lights on the Miata. So just a few basic things. Got more in store, so stay tuned. So because this is a 1990 90s JDM, gotta use the key for this, just to pop this open. And we're gonna start off with the reverse light. So just so y'all can get a look at this, this is the OEM reverse light. That's stock right there. So that's the OEM reverse light. I'm gonna be changing these. It's pretty easy. All you do is pop off this tab right here. There's the light bulb, and we're going to be switching that with the LED one. So I got the new LED bulb right here. I'm just going to place it right there. Oh shit. Just going to place it right there. Take this one out. Easy like that. And pop these one in. All you got to do is line this up and turn it. And that's it. Put it back. I'm gonna test and see if this works. I should have tested it out there, but it's whatever. It's not too hard. Look at the difference. Look at that white, yellow. White, yellow. Jeez, that looks so sick. 2020 Mazda Miata. Come on now. So now I just gotta do the other side. This reminds me of the early days of the Civic when I was doing the simple mods just to get stuff done. So I got this one out. Same thing. Oh, it's kind of hot. Line it up just like that. Same thing. And you line it up the holes. Line up the 2 tabs. That's all. Now let's see if it works. Jeez, damn y'all. Look at that. Can't really see in camera, but it's kind of like bright and it has like a blue tint to it. I like it a lot. Definitely makes the car look newer already. That's what I'm talking about. Easy. So now that the reverse light is replaced, I am now working on doing the license plate light. So to do it, you have to remove these pins right here. I already started. Yeah, like this pin was kind of stuck. This one right here is still stuck. So like this one is broken. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take them out and replace it with push pins. It should be push pins. I don't know why they use this. This is like a permanent solution. But yeah, now I have access to the license plate light. I think I did break this right here by bending it, so it's whatever. Just trying to change the license plate light. So just so y'all can see, to access the license plate bulb, you just spin this over here. You spin that out. Just like that, and it comes out. And this is the bulb. Let's see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna switch it. Let's try it out. So there's the old bulb. I just put in the new one. Let's see if it works. That's how the old one looks. Boom, right there. LED light. Just gonna put it in. There you go. It's actually starting to flicker. So it's starting to flicker a bit. Apparently you might have to switch the wires because of the polarity, whatever it's called. So maybe I'll do that after. But let's change this one. So I put this one in, finally changed both of them. That's how it sits. Damn, making some progress. Just like that, you got LED everything. So let's on to the next one. Let's do the next thing. So for the next light we're gonna replace is this one here. Look how yellow that looks, man. It's too dark. Even on this side. Oh, this one's dead. So we're gonna be replacing these lights. There's some LEDs up in here, so let's do it. Replace these. It's pretty easy. Just use a flathead. Pry it out. Man, look how dirty this is. 1990. What do you expect? I pried this one out too, so I'm gonna be replacing it. So you just pop out the light that you can see over there and just replace it with an LED. So I'm trying to put the new bulb in, but as you can see, y'all, let me brighten that up for y'all. As you can see, there's some nasty ass bugs in here. Look at the front, you can see them. Disgusting. This is what happens when you work on a 90s whip. Gotta deal with these conditions. So I got this right here. Gonna try and get these bugs out. So I've been trying to put this new LED bulb back in, but I don't know, it's either my fingers are too big or this LED bulb itself is too big. So I think I might have to do some research and find a smaller one, and then I'll be able to replace these lights. But for now, I guess I'll put it back. At least I got rid of the bugs. So I will have to get back to those lights, but another thing I picked up was this right here, an aux to lightning. I hope it works, so we can play tunes in the summer with the iPhone. You feel me? So I'm gonna try this out, see if it works, so we can get this car ready for summer. Pick this off of Amazon, if I didn't mention that. But yeah, let's try it out. Plug it here. It's actually nice and short, perfect for this car. So I got it connected, but still playing the radio right now. See what happens. So this is how you switch it to aux. I don't hear the tunes though. It's not working. So this is a fail, man. Like, it's not working. Trying to play some Gunna. It ain't working. It's unfortunate. So that was the second L of the day. Maybe I'll figure out how it works. So 2 of the 4 things got done today. So why not go for a drive, ease up my mind, get away from these mods. But yeah, let's go for a drive, see how this car runs, and have some fun. People are looking. So happens when you drive a car like this. Yeah, this car runs and drives pretty fun. Nothing too crazy. Just went for a quick little drive, decided to park it here, get some pics. But this car needs a little bit of work. It's getting there. It's gonna take time for sure, but important thing is don't give up. So I'm gonna head back home, even though I'm not that far from home. And then I have one more mod to show you guys. One more upgrade to show you guys for the Miata. So Sleepy Miata is parked up on the driveway, but I also have this. These are just like valve cover stems. I used to run this on the Civic. Much better than this. They look pretty good. Kind of matches too much with the car, but I'll rock it for now. Not too shabby. Okay, so right now let's take a look at the last upgrade I got for the car. I think you guys will like this one. It's not a small mod like the LED lights, but yeah. Wait a second and then take a look at this. Boom. So if you look right here, we got a little sum from NRG. Let's open it up. Jeez. Got this right here. Y'all already know what this is. Take it out of the wrapper. Jeez. So I think y'all need some light. So it is. Looks nice. Looks shiny. So this is nothing too crazy. I picked up an NRG steering wheel. This is a wood grain steering wheel with a matte black center. Looks dope. So got the NRG steering wheel. Already looks dope in this with this interior. Wood grain, has a nice grip to it. Y'all see the back over here. Shiny gloss. And so you're probably wondering, why did I go with this wheel? I'm about 6 feet and my legs, if I close them right here, it's touching the wheel already. When I'm driving, it's not that bad, but in order for me to have extra room, so I went with the 330mm steering wheel. This should give me more clearance as I have my legs over here, more leg room. So this OEM wheel right here, I tried wiping it down a few times. And look at this, man, it's still brown, it's still dirty. Like, I don't know what this is about, but previous owner, man. Previous owner kept this wheel dirty. I don't know what he did. Probably went drifting in the dirt. I don't know. But why not help myself with a brand new wheel? That way when I grip it, it's nice and new. Don't have to worry about the germs and the diseases out here. So brand new 330mm NRG steering wheel. So I think eventually I'm going to be changing out the horn button, but I'm just waiting on the hub. So in order to install the wheel, I'm going to need a hub over here. So that's coming in. I already ordered it. Just waiting on the hub, and then this steering wheel will be installed. So there you have it. Those are the first Miata upgrades. Steering wheel coming in. But yeah, not everything went as planned today. I wanted to do the interior lights and the aux didn't work for me, but it's all good. I'll probably figure it out later. But yeah, it's gonna take time with this build. Car is gonna need each piece one step at a time. It's coming, I promise y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. You already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram at highbeamscrew. Follow the brand at highbeams.ca. Stay safe, be safe out there. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out, peace. Real quick, y'all, this is the night view of the LED lights. Hella bright, bruh. Hella bright.